Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to become a premium member on Vueling Airlines. Now, if you're dreaming of elevated travel experience with Vueling Airlines, you can unlock exclusive perks, priority services, and more by becoming a premium member. And here is how you can get that done. So first, begin your journey by enrolling in the Vueling Club. Visit Vueling.com, click on Sign Me Up, fill in your personal details, and create your account. As a member, you'll start collecting Avios points with every flight and eligible purchase. To ascend to the premium status, you need to fly 40 times in a calendar year or book 20 return flights within the same period. I'll go over that again. To ascend to the premium status, you need to fly 40 times in a calendar year or book 20 return flights within the same period. A flight is defined as a journey from the origin to the final destination, regardless of stopovers. For instance, a round trip from Madrid to Brussels with a connection in Barcelona counts as 2 flights. Then the next step is to monitor your progress. Vueling keeps you informed with monthly updates. So as you approach premium status, Vueling send you monthly emails detailing the number of flights you've taken and how many more are needed. Ensure that you check your inbox and spam folders to stay updated. Then, enjoy premium benefits. Upon achieving the premium status, you can relish the following exclusive benefits. Number one, dedicated customer service, where you have access to a special customer service channel for all your needs. You have double Avios, where you get earn twice the Avios points on flights sold and operated by Vueling, and you have annual 50% discount. We get to receive a 50% discount on one flight per year for 2 people. And you have exclusive check-in decks where you utilize dedicated check-in counters at all Vueling operated airports. You have fast-track security where you have speed through security with fast-track access where available. You have enhanced baggage allowance where you can bring a 10 kg cabin bag and an under-seat item on board. You have priority boarding where you can be among the first to board the plane. And you have same-day flight changes where you can modify your flight to an earlier or later one on the same day via the app, paying only the fare difference if applicable. Now remember to present your virtual premium card available on the Vueling app to assess these benefits. If you're a resident of Spain, can consider applying for a Vueling visa or Vueling up visa card. Okay, so achieving the premium status with Vueling Airlines enhances your travel experience with a suite of exclusive benefits. So by joining the Vueling Club and consistently flying with Vueling, you're well on your way to enjoying these perks. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.